There you go, Evan, mess it up.
Juggling, baby. Help Grandma. Help Grandma.
What?
What happened?
He was so excited.
Oh my God, that's a big pile of leaves for a little baby.
Look at you, baby.
I mean, I could watch this all day. Evan, walk right through. Can you get through? Blow, Evan, blow. Blow. There it is. Again.
Get a good exercise.
Wow. Blow again.
Blow the leaves. Come on, blow the leaves. We ate rice and he didn't like the meat that you gave.
The sausage? Oh, he ate it yesterday. But you know how he is. One day he likes it, one day he doesn't.
He ate eggs and a little cheese sausage.
All right, Evan, say bye to the camera.
Say bye.
Bye to the camera.
Bye.
Say bye.
Bye to the camera.
Bye to the camera.
Evan,
Say
bye.
bye.